Hi friends, welcome to The Little Healthy Chef. Today we're making something super fun and yummy, a rainbow sandwich. Are you ready to cook and learn about colors with me? Let's go! First, let's meet our rainbow friends. Every color brings something healthy to our plate. Red tomato. Did you know tomatoes help keep your heart happy? Orange carrot. They're great for your eyes to see in the dark. Green lettuce. It gives us energy to play and grow. And purple cabbage. It helps our brain work like a supercomputer. Don't forget the bread. We're using whole grain bread because it gives us long-lasting energy. Step 1. Spread some hummus or cream cheese on a slice of bread. This will help all our veggies stick together. Step 2. Now let's add the colors. Start with red tomatoes, then orange carrots, green lettuce, and purple cabbage. You can stack them however you like. It's your rainbow. Can you name the colors as we add them? Shout them out with me. Step 3. Add the second slice of bread on top. Press it gently and ta-da! You have a rainbow sandwich. Chef Benny takes a bite of the sandwich and smiles. Chef Benny. So yummy. And remember, eating different colors helps your body stay strong and healthy. The camera shows an animation of fruits and veggies dancing across a plate with text summarizing their benefits. Chef Benny, now it's your turn to make your rainbow sandwich. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to help with the chopping. Send me a picture of your creation. Maybe I'll feature it in the next episode. Chef Benny waves at the camera as the screen displays colorful text. Chef Benny, thanks for cooking with me today, friends. See you next time on The Little Healthy Chef. Keep eating your rainbow.